Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my channel. It might be cold and miserable outside, but it's spring in my heart and I want to do some spring cleaning. Specifically, on this couch, I've been wanting to do a deep clean for this couch for the longest time. Now, to the naked eye, it might look absolutely perfect and clean and stylish and all that, but I see all the imperfections, the pilling, the stains. I got to clean it and I'm not gonna wait till spring. I'm gonna do it today, rain or shine. So tag along for the ride if you wanna learn some tips and tricks. Let's see how we deep clean this couch. So step one of this cleaning process is the hardest one. It's all about shaking the dust out. I take each cushion, bottom and back, out to my porch and I smack it and I smack it and I smack it until I can smack no more. It is hard work, it is exhausting, but I think it's critical. Unless you have a commercial style vacuum cleaner, you're not able to vacuum out all the dust. That's why the smacking, the banging gets most of it out, and it's a much better process, though very, very difficult. The next step is to use a fabric shaver. Yes, one of those shavers you'd use for your sweater to get the pilling out. You could use it on your couches and it's very, very satisfying. You start with a cushion that's kind of pilly and has all these bumps on it, and slowly but surely it becomes nice and smooth, very, very satisfying. And this is not a hard part of the job. It's pretty easy, it just takes a little time. You can find one of these fabric shavers on Amazon or other stores. It's a good thing to have, especially if you have sweaters and you live in a cold country like myself, but it's also of course usable on your couches. For the third stage of the project, I use a portable spot cleaner. You've seen those before. I have a Bissell, but there's other brands that make really good ones as well. Very simple to use. They have some hot water and detergent in one container, and then you spray it and suck it all up, and it deep cleans fabrics. My wife spilled wine on our white rug and I cleaned it in 2 seconds flat. My kids spill stuff all the time, so it's very handy around the house. And on the couch, it does the same job as well, deep cleaning and sucking all that gunk out. So that's the third part of this process. It's a really good idea to pre-treat anything that you're about to vacuum or suck up. Spray a little bit of the water in the solution, let it sit for a minute or two, and then do all that vacuuming. That will make sure that the couch really gets nice and clean. Now take a look at this. This is not fake, this is not AI. This is the dirt that came out of my couch. I personally like doing spring cleaning projects in the winter. I'm at home a lot and I'm taking a load off of the work in the upcoming spring, so it just makes sense. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Thank you for watching the video. Before you forget, hit that like button below and I'll see you in the next one.